Hi, it is Monday, November 16th, and today in math we're doing lesson 2.2, and we are still working with three-digit addition, this time not in a story, but just as a problem. And the students need to combine some numbers in order to make a 10. And we're talking about how 10 is the big number, the magic number in math. If you can get the tens down, math will be a little bit easier. So they're to find the two numbers that equal 10. So what I had them do is when we were doing this in class, I had them circle the two numbers that make a 10, or what we call a friendly number. And then they are to rewrite that problem down here below using those two numbers that make up the 10 first. So it was a 5 plus 5 equal 10. So they're going to write a 10 in that number bond box. And then whatever number is left over, which would in this problem be the 3, they're going to put that at the end. And then we're going to go over here to the other problem, and we have condensed this. Instead of 5 plus 5, they're just going to write a 10, and then you're going to bring this number over, which is a 3, and you're going to write a 3 here. So 10 plus 3 would equal what teen number? We're talking about teens. 10 plus the single digit number is going to equal a teen, or in this case, 13. So they're going to do that to each problem. So that's on the first page. If you're looking on the second page, it's the same thing. But here for number 5 and number 6, they want you to circle the numbers within the problem that equal 10. Here they've done the 3 plus 7, and they've created a number bond. I do want the students to do that. I want them to draw the line to connect the two and then write a 10 above it. So then they need to come over here to this problem, and they're just going to condense it or make it a shorter problem. We know that 7 plus 3 is 10, so we're just going to write a 10, and then whatever number is left over, which in this case would be a 5, we're going to write in the second add-in spot. So then they should think 10 plus 5 equals what teen number? And in this case, it would be a 15. So they're going to do that for number 6 as well and create that bond. Make sure they create that bond. And at the bottom is a challenge, but I think they'll be okay. They'll know. 5 plus 5 is 10. They want you to circle the atoms that make 10. And then circle the true number sentences. So 5 plus 5 plus 3. 5 plus 5 would be 10. So is this the same as 10 plus 3? Is 5 plus 5 plus 3 equal to 10 plus 3? And if that's true, you're going to circle it. 4 plus 6 plus 6. Well, we know that 4 and 6 is 10. So is 4 plus 6 plus 6 the same as 10 plus 6? And if we look, I'm sorry. And if we look, we see that we've created a 10. Look up here, it's plus 6. So 10 plus 6, that would be equal. And they're going to do the same over here. Circle the numbers that equal 10. So is 3 plus 8 plus 7, is that the same as 10 plus 6? Well, the 7 and 3 would be 10. 8 would be left over, but that's not what this says. So that would not be true. If you have any confusions, or if you're confused, please just email me. I'll be happy to give you a call and explain it to you. If not, I can talk to the students at school tomorrow about this homework. Have a good night.